Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 16th, 2021, and I'm going to be planting some Gazania Sunshine Mix seeds today. Now, these go about 1/4 of an inch deep, and they germinate in about 7 to 14 days. Now, it says on my pack that they take about 60 to 70 days to bloom. And honestly, I've grown this before from seed for I think like 2 years now, and it has never bloomed within 60 to 70 days. That's why I'm starting it so early. So we're going to get these planted here. So you can see here what the seeds look like. And I'm just going to put these in. See there? I'll put my seed on top there, and I'm gently going to cover it. I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix, and I'll put a link down in the description for the mix that I use if I can find a link for it. Yeah. And I do have videos on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix. So this one here, that's a clump there. I'm going to move that out of the way, and I'm going to refluff this here. Get kind of a more smooth surface to put my seeds on here. There we go. And these love full sun. They can tolerate drier soil. I did do a video on these on my channel, and you can check that out, where I did a growing guide for them, and I show you what the flowers look like. So I'm going to finish getting these planted, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I covered my seeds all up, and I got these all planted. I'm just going to take my spray bottle. I'm going to gently mist over the top here to get that seed moist. And I am going to get these labeled. So this one here kind of came up to the surface a little bit, so I'm just going to kind of cover it back up there some. And sometimes that happens, especially if your seeds aren't sown too deep. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move these onto the heated floor. And I'm going to put a loose covering over them, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I put these in here. Now I don't have this covering fitting tightly over. It's going to allow the excess heat to escape out from the floor. So when these start germinating, I will come back and I will show you what the seedlings look like. Okay, so today is January 20th, 2021. And one of my Gazania flowers actually have 6 of these starting to germinate. And you can see here what the seedling leaves look like. Now these are a nice green color. The camera with the lighting in the greenhouse, it's having a little bit of a thing trying to pick up the true green color here. But these did start germinating for me. So I'm going to be taking these off of the heated floor and moving them to my shelves in the greenhouse. Now, when these start getting their true leaves, I will start feeding them with 1/4 teaspoon Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food to a gallon of water, and I'll feed them once a week. Now, you always want to make sure when you're feeding your plants that you never feed a dry plant, because it can damage the root system. And why I'm feeding them, I will be feeding them, is I want to get that root system established. I want to get my plants nice and strong and healthy. And as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos, and I will show them to you, and I'll show you how they're growing. And when they start flowering, I'll definitely do a video on that. And like I said before, I did do a review of this variety. It's the Sunshine Mix on my channel. You can check that out on there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.